Hey guys, Señor here with a recommendation for you if you're learning a new language. This one, while it's geared towards specifically Spanish, can really be used for any language you're learning. And that recommendation is to change the language of an application that you use quite often on your cell phone into the language you're learning. So the reason I say quite often is because by now you're probably pretty familiar with the layout of the app and the various buttons that are already there. So you're going to see those buttons, but now in a new language, and you'll become familiar with those new terms. So to change language, the very top right, you see those three little lines. I'm going to go there. Then I'm going to go to Settings at the bottom. And then I'm going to go to Account, which is toward the bottom. And then Language is the third choice. I'm going to choose Spanish, which is again at the bottom. The app will shut down. You have to restart it. So I'm going to go back in. And then I'm going to go back to my account, which is that button on the bottom right if you aren't sure. And then, so now you'll notice that like even at the very top right underneath my username, Señor, you'll see where it says 21 visitas al perfil. So 21 visits to my profile in the last 7 days. So that's something that I'm already familiar with, so I know what that says. So it will help me to remember those things. But let's say you regret doing this and you want to change the language back to English. Just if you can't remember how to get there, at the very top right again, I'll go to the three lines, go to the very bottom, which is Settings, the configuración. And then toward the bottom, it's the third choice up, the one that says Cuenta. I'm going to click that. And then the third choice down is Idioma. And then find the language you want, which if I want to put it back to English is the fifth one down. And then the blue button, Cambiar, means to change. And then my app will close down and I can restart it and everything's back into English. So that's how you can change